Hello to all subscribers, viewers, supporters, not subscriber, not supporters, and not viewers. Thank you, happy, happy Sunday? Yeah, happy Sunday to all of, happy Monday to all of us. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to all supporters that you are still watching, mga viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you very much talaga. And I have finished already of my live stream already. So thank you so much talaga. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much to all of you. Thank you for the new subscriber. Thank you all that one that reply. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you. So what today? Today what day? Today Monday. So right, today is Monday. So thank you very much. We have it's very noisy because they're working up. This one is the birthday of Celine, and this one there is a sound. So this one, and this one is the small one. Okay, ayan, small yan. Ito naman ang big castle, and this one the small castle. And I think this castle is the castle of the princess. Ewan ko kung sa Hello Kitty yan o sa princess, yan eh. Hindi ko alam. Si Celine memorize yan. Ito naman din yung kay yata ito kay princess. Ito kay Celine. Nakalimutan ko. Basta birthday niya rin. So with sounds, ito with sounds din to. Gaya din doon. Ito rin with sounds din yan. May sounds din yan. May tao rin yata. Baka may delivery. O yan yung savings banks. Isilin.